And that's the finished product here. Nice and neat. I used sticky backs. Moving up into the cabinet. Two. I'm gonna have a hood here anyways, this will be covered. Came out there, down. There's my lights. That looks pretty neat. That looks pretty neat. The other side. That's my dimmer. Not bad. Pretty easy to install. It did take about 2 hours or so with cleanup. I will have to buy another kit to install on this side of the kitchen because my cabinets are disconnected. So yeah, I'll have to connect this section and that. I think I can do that with one kit because my wall is open on the other side of this wall. The other side of this wall is open. So I think I can make it with another kit. See, this wall's open. So for this section, cabinets, I'll have to buy another kit. And I think I should be able to connect these two. And that's one kit installed on this side. I like it, pretty easy. Pretty affordable, about $50 on Amazon.